Hello, viewers. Welcome to this session. Good morning, all of you. I am going to talk about a character sketch of Max Caleda of Mr. Know All by Mr. William Somerset Maugham. Mr. Know All is a beautiful short story by William Somerset Maugham. William Somerset Maugham was a great short story writer and novelist and essayist of England of the modern century. He wrote many short stories. The most striking feature of his short story is that he reveals the real character, the real quality of the character of his story towards the end of his short story. He finds out a strange quality, different quality in the character of his short story, which he claims to have, but which he does not possess. Now, let me discuss the character sketch of Mr. Max Caleda. Max Caleda is a central character of the story Mr. Know All by William Somerset Maugham. Max Caleda, who is really Mr. Know All, comes as a ridiculous character, a ridiculous man before the people. He surprises all by his claim that he knows everything worth knowing. Max Caleda is short and a sturdy build. He is clean shaven, dark skinned, with a fleshy hooked nose and very large sized lustrous liquid eyes. He spoke with fluency in which there was nothing English, though Max Caleda claims to be British to his backbone, to his boot. His gestures are full of spirit. Max Caleda travels from San Francisco in USA to Yokohama in Japan in a ship. There are many passengers in the ship. The narrator of the story is also there, along with his beautiful wife, Mrs. Ramsay. They are going in the ship. Max Caleda looks at the chain of Mrs. Ramsay, the wife of Mr. Ramsay. Max Caleda says that this chain is a real pearl. It is made of real pearl. it is not cultured one, or it is not unreal one. Mrs. Ramsay takes out the chain and he gives Max Kaleda to examine it through a magnifying glass that Max Kaleda takes out from his pocket to examine the pearls. He waits with Mr. Ramsay that if the pearl proves to be real one, Max Kaleda will pay him certain amount of money. And if the pearl proves to be cultured one, unreal one, Max Kaleda will pay Ramsay the money. It means if Ramsay wins the bet, he will have to pay. If Max Kaleda loses the bet, Max Kaleda has to pay the amount. On examination of the pearl, a very strange situation is created. Max Kaleda finds that the pearl is unreal one, cultured one, not real. Earlier he claims that this is real pearl, not cultured or unreal one. So he takes out note from his pocket and gives it to Mr. Ramsay. All the people begin to laugh to see the folly of Max Kaleda, the ridiculous position of Max Kaleda. Max Kaleda bets on whether pearls in Mrs. Ramsay's chain were real or cultured or unreal ones. He lost the bet with the narrator, but he was seized of the fact that no one likes being made to look a perfect damned fool. He also showed the fool in himself when he analyzes the dubious character of Mrs. Ramsay in the absence of her husband, Mr. Ramsay, while she is away to New York for a year. He also questions the wisdom of the husband, Mr. Ramsay, who allows his wife to live in New York for a year away from him. At the end of the story, Max Kaleda observes, "If I had a wife, a little pretty wife, I should not let her spend a year in New York while I stayed at Kobe." To conclude, the real identification of Max Kaleda comes to the end of the story. Everybody comes to know that Max Kaleda is a ridiculous person. He is a laughing stock. But he claims to know everything in the world. He claims to have knowledge of all the trades, businesses of all the things. He also says that he is in trade of pearls, in the business of pearls. But the real position of Max Kaleda comes to the fore when he proves to be wrong, his claim proves to be defeated, Such is the feature of the story of William Somerset Maugham. Thus, Max Caleda, who claims to be Mr. Know-all, becomes a laughing stock in the end of the story. Thanks a lot.